paper cutter is optional. You could always use scissors if you don't have one. For this part, you do need the Word program, and I don't want to pay for my Microsoft Word. There's a way actually to be able to use it for free online, and I'm just going to show you real quick how I did that. So the only bad thing about Word Online is that it's very limited on fonts. So what I do, I go on my Paint app. I have all my fonts there. So I just use whatever font I need to use. And then I copy, and I'm going to go back to Word Online and paste it here. And as you can see, once I click print, it completely changes the font. Now, if you're using one of the Word Online fonts, this is all you have to do and just print. But because I want this to be a different font, this is what I'm gonna do instead. And if you don't have a paper cutter, you don't have to use a paper cutter. You could always just use scissors. Use a ruler and a scissors, or a ruler and X-Acto knife to cut it straight. I turn it on my highest heat. It should be a cotton setting, and turn off the steam. If you're using the same exact transfer paper that I am using, it comes with this sheet of paper that you use to put your iron over that little heat transfer paper. I know that in all my videos where I work with the Cricut vinyl iron-ons and I use just a regular piece of paper, well, with this kind of heat transfer paper, a regular paper will not work, and it will stick to the fabric and the paper, and it will just ruin everything. So if you don't have this sheet of special paper that comes with this packet, just use regular parchment paper. It's like for baking, and that will work perfectly fine. How I make my labels. Now, I find this way to be the quickest and the easiest, the least expensive way to do it. Due to the high demand of my little items, I need so many tags, and I already looked online and they're kind of pricey, and I don't want to raise the prices of my items just for some tags. This is another way to do it. I have this label, and I used to use it to make little sticker labels for jars and stuff. And then I found out that these cartridges also come with like ribbon instead, and you could print on it. So that was really cool, and I love that. But after I calculated everything, it would just come out to too much in my opinion. Like I said, this is for myself, and I don't want to raise prices of my items just for some tags. People don't care about tags. This is for me more like just putting my brand thing on it. watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you have any question or comments, comment below. And please share this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I have links below. And then there's like that little circle with the exclamation point in it. It has the links to my shop, and I just make little baby stuff and I sell them. Yeah, I look like crap. It's been such a long day. But anyway, so yeah, thank you so much for watching, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Give it a thumbs up, please. So thank you for supporting my small shop, to those who do, and this channel. Alright, bye!